Chinook Block II. Next generation solutions for future heavy lifting missions. To safely and effectively complete critical future missions, soldiers must have next generation heavy lifting capabilities. The H-47 Chinook Block II is the only way to achieve this goal quickly and affordably. The Boeing H-47 Chinook Block II is powered by cutting-edge technology, redesigned fuel tanks, reinforced fuselage and improved drivetrain. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is an American twin-engine, tandem-rotor, heavy-lift helicopter. With a top speed of 170 knots, 196 miles per hour, 315 kilometers per hour, it was faster than any attack helicopter of the 1960s. The CH-47 helicopter is one of the few aircraft of this period still in frontline and production service, with over 1,179 built to date. Chinook Block II. Flying faster, farther, and smarter, Block II improves readiness for U.S. Army and Special Operations soldiers. Block II improves readiness for U.S. Army and Special Operations soldiers.